Annoyed by the cars parked on the side of the road, this man took revenge using simple means. The parked car was blocking off the road, and look how this Fortuner driver took revenge. This Camry was parked in a boat trailer spot, so it was towed away.
I'd fucking leave it right there.
Rumor has it that the car owner was warned not to park there due to constructions, but he didn't listen. So this is what happens to his car. This person took revenge on a guy who parked in the handicap spot.
Speeds around the corner, pulls into a handicap spot, so I decided to hook him up today.
What do you think, guys?
There you go. Here's your license plate.
That's why we never park our car carelessly, especially in narrow street like this. A car parked in the bike lane, so this cyclist blocked the guy from getting off. Do you agree with this cyclist revenge?
This motherfucker in the bike lane. Why are you in the bike lane? Excuse me. Wait a minute! Shut your ass up.
This dude drives in and blocks access to 3 drivers before walking away. When he comes back with the lady, he was shocked to see that someone has sprayed shaving cream all over his car. What do you guys think? This is what happens if you park your car carelessly in China. This is why you should never park in front of a fire hydrant. Because if the firefighters can't go around your car, they will have to go through it like this. This truck was blocking the bike lane, so this is what the cyclist did.
Oh shit! Why are you blocking the bike lane, bro?
If every police department have this type of truck, they definitely would solve the illegal parking problem overnight. Agree? Well done, sir. Now you have to pay more for the boot and the ticket.
Let's go!
Did this guy deserve it, huh? Guys, please don't do this.
这哪儿个车？今天人今天不拉倒。哎，掉到我去放那个呢。哎，这泥管找不到哦。哎。给这边一下，他们两个，他们两个，我要带你们去撞了。